In today's video, we will see the transitions in Filmora. So Filmora is by far one of the simplest video editor I have come across, be it beginner, advanced level video editor. It makes your workflow easy. It reduces your video editing timeline, and it also makes your video tell better story. So you're a vlogger, you're a content creator, you make videos, these tools makes it handy for you to tell better story. Now, I have a paid subscription. I've been using this for more than 2 years. You can see on the screen. If you want to use this for free, all you need to do is go to the description in the video and you use the referral link. You will be able to sign and start your hand on Filmora for free. So make sure you are checking the link. And when it comes to transition, what transition is, if you don't know, so you have multiple videos. For example, here you see you have a biker, you have a surfer, boxer, and dancer. All four not connected to each other. And when you're bringing a story, you want to connect and make that seamless. That's where the transition comes. Otherwise, these videos, one after other, will abruptly be disconnected, and that will show up on the video when you play. So to bring a transition, all you need to do is click on transition, and then, as I said, there are multiple transitions here. The ones which are shown in diamond are paid ones. I have made a full length video where you will get to see the names and how these transitions are. And if you like any one of them, you can either note it down, screenshot, and use that transition when you are making your video. So that will save a lot of time and effort. Otherwise, you have to go download each one and then see whether it works for you or not. Let's start putting the transitions here. Let me select dissolve 2 here between these two video, and you see on the right side you have this as overlap. So overlap is between two videos. Prefix that comes to the first video, postfix comes to the second video. So I'll keep it as overlap. Then let's come down. These are all dissolve. Let me add a zoom. So fast zoom here. Once I bring this, again, you have this option on the right side, you see here. And then let's go with another one, say transition. So all of this you will be able to see in the video which follows. And once you play this video, you see here, let's play from here. This is biker. You see the transition between biker and the surfer. This is how it happens. If you don't like it, you just replace with any other transitions. And once you're convinced, just go ahead and export your video. So this is transition. Now just sit back and relax and just go through the various transitions.